So this is the National Geographic Stunning Science Chemistry Set, and I wanted to unbox it with you so you can see exactly what you're gonna get with this kit. So let's open it up. You're gonna get an experiment guide, the big book of bonus experiments, volcano plaster, red cabbage powder, potassium dihydrogen phosphate, pop crystals, calcium chloride, citric acid, sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, safety goggles. Here's some balloons with a little measuring device here. Here's a little foam rocket, some beakers and cups, test tubes, test tube holders. Here you're gonna get some fun colors. And here's how you're gonna make a volcano. There's a syringe. You got eruption powder A and eruption powder B. Here's a brush, measuring device, test tube cleaner, finally, vegetable oil. So with all this, your child will enjoy over 100 experiments, and hopefully I can do a follow-up video later showing you the exact experiments.